How to block adult websites on Windows PC or laptop. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can block adult websites on your Windows PC or laptop. So without further delay, let's get started with our video. For that, first of all, you have to open up Control Panel. For that, click on the search icon and in the search bar, search for Control Panel. Click on it. Once you have opened up your control panel, so from here you have to click on Network and Internet. Again, click on Network and Sharing Center. Once you're here, navigate to your left hand side and click on Change Adapter Settings. Now, here you have to click on your Wi-Fi. Then click on Properties. So once you have your Wi-Fi properties, you have to double click on Internet Protocol version 4. And then you will have another menu box here. There you have to use the following DNS server address. And here under preferred DNS server, you have to type in 208.67.222.123. So you have to type in this address on the preferred DNS server, and on the alternate DNS server type in 208.67.220.123. So you can copy the address from this interface right here. So once you're done, you have to click on OK. Then you can close Control Panel from your device. After that, you can restart your device, and by doing so, you have blocked all the adult websites on your laptop or your Windows PC. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.